Dear student, myself Dilip Chandra Datta, TGT SST from Jain Bidhing, Nagaon, Assam. I am here with the second part of the video of the chapter, History chapter 5, When People Rebel, 1857 and after. Student, here we are going to discuss about what was the reaction of the company to the revolt of 1857 and the changes thereafter the revolt. First of all, let us discuss the reaction of the company, how the company fight back. Although initially the company officer became helpless due to the sudden outbreak of the revolt, but after some time the company decided to repress the revolt with all its might. To repress the revolt, the company took some important steps as, first of all, it brought reinforcement from England. It passed a new law so that the rebels could be convicted with case. Next, the company army moved into the storm centers of the revolt and many of the rebels were recaptured. It announced reward for loyal landlords and also announced to protect the life and rights if any rebel who wanted to submit. Thus, with the extra force from England, the company could able to suppress the rebellion and many of the rebels were killed by the British. Now, let us discuss the major changes that took place in India after the revolt of 1857. The most significant change was changes in the administration of the British in India. Here, British Parliament passed a new act in 1858 and transferred the power of the East India Company to the British Crown in England. At the same time, the Governor General of India was given the title of Viceroy as a personal representation of the Crown. Secondly, all the ruling chiefs of the country were assured that their territory would never be annexed in future. The next important change brought in the company army, the company decided to reduce the proportion of Indian soldiers and to increase the European soldiers. Another major tragic development was that the land and properties of Muslims were confiscated on large scale. Next, the British decided to respect the customary religious and social practice of the people in India. At the same time, policies were made to protect the landlords, jamindars and give them security of rights over their lands. Dear student, from the above discussion, we come to know that the British ultimately could able to suppress the revolt, but the revolt of 1857 is very important in the Indian history for many reasons, as it was a collective effort, a symbol of unity. It initiated political change in India. The revolt of 1857 can be considered as the confidence building measures among the people of India to fight against the British and to achieve independence ultimately in 1947. So, this is all about the revolt of 1857. The student, hope you all are able to understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.